This 2021 Coachmen Freedom Express LTZ 257 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006-9250 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Coachmen is 28 feet 7 inches in length and features one slideout, a Marlin interior, sleeps 8, DVD player, CO detector, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, smoke detector, skylight, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Coachmen Freedom Express LTZ 257 BHS is 5,263 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.